Hello students, I am Dr. Hari Prapan Sharma, Assistant Professor GLA University Mathura. Today we have discussed some numericals of operating leverages. In a previous video we have also discussed one numerical of operating leverage and degree of operating leverage. Today we have discussed some new types of numerical of operating leverage. This is our numerical for today. The following informations are given for a product: break even point 5000 units, variable cost 30 rupees per unit, fixed cost 75,000. Calculate operating leverage from the above information for 7,000 and 9,500 units. In this numerical you have seen two things. Uh, One is given a break even point, that is a 5000 units, and second thing, we have not information regarding the selling price. So firstly, with the help of break even point, we find out our selling price, and after that we have calculated our operating leverage of 7000 units and 9500 units. Let's restart. Now firstly, what is the formula of break even point? Firstly we consider this thing, and after that we calculate break even point equal to fixed cost upon selling price minus variable cost. That is our formula. Fixed cost upon selling price. After that, now we have know what is our break even point. Our break even point is 5000 units, that is given. Fixed cost is 7500 units, seven thousand 500 units, and selling price we do not have, minus variable cost, or variable cost is 30 rupees per unit. So after this particular situation, not any kind of points, so firstly we have a disturbance. Okay, now we calculate selling price minus 30. So we cross multiply 5000 into selling price minus 30, and 77,500, 5000 divided by 1. So 5000 into our selling price minus 30, bracket close, equal to 7000. So its amount is 75,000. equal to 75,000. Okay, so simple. After that calculation, 5,000 selling price minus 30 into 5,000, that is a 1,50,000. It's a multiply, selling price into 5,000 equal to 5,000 into selling price, or we can say SP of, so that is a 1,50,000 equal to 75,000. In this situation, now 5,000 selling price equal to 75,000 plus 1,50,000. Now selling price equal to 2,25,000 divided by 5,000. So our selling price equal to 45 rupees per unit. In this calculation, we have find out our selling price. Now we solve this particular numerical in a same pattern, just like solve our previous numerical. So we calculate, one is in case of 7,000 units and second one is in case of 9,500 units. Okay, now we calculate 15. Number of columns we have required 3, and that is 5 6. After that we solve. Here our particulars, in case of 7,000 units, and second situation is 9,500 units. Now our selling price, just we have calculated 45 rupees per unit. In case of 7,000 into 45, that is a 3,15,000. After that, in case of 9,500 units into 45 equal to 4,27,500. Okay, less our variable cost, that is given our numerical as 30 rupees per unit. after that multiply, it is at 2,10,000. In case of 7,000 units to 9,500 units, that is at 2,85,000 units. Now we have calculated our contribution. Our contribution is 3,15,000 minus 2,10,000, that is a 1,05,000 rupees. 4,27,500 minus 2,85,000, that is a 1,42,500. After that, in minus less fixed cost. Fixed cost is numerical given, that is a 75,000. In this case also 75,000. After that we have find out EBIT, or we can say operating profit. Our operating profit is 1,05,000 minus 30,000 to 1,05,000 minus 75,000, that is at 30,000, and 1,42,500 minus 75,000, 67,500. We have also calculated our operating profit is here, or operating leverage. Operating leverage equal to, we know the formula, that is a contribution upon EBIT. So our contribution is, in case of first, 75,000, 1,05,000 divided by 30,000. Operating profit leverage is 3.5 after that dividation. In case of 9,500 units, 1,42,500 divided by 67,500 equal to 2.11. That is our operating profit in case of second one. Here we find out our contribution, and after less we find out our operating profit. Now most important thing is remaining in this particular numerical, and that is which project is more riskier and which project is less riskier. So if we interpret both the situation in case of 7,500 units or in case of 9500 units, so we find out कि our operating leverage in case of 7000 is high, so we can say if we do our production in 7000 units, it is much more riskier comparison to the 9500. Reason you have know simply, if your profit is down or your selling is quantity is down for 7000 to 500 5000 units, so in this case you just calculate you just calculated. After that I will told you 45 into 5000 units, that is at 2,25,000. So just or we minus our units, 4,500. If we our total sales is 4,500, then we multiply our selling price, that is 2,02,500, and we have not survival with our variable cost also. Our fixed cost is 75,000, so in this case we have go to the negative way. Okay. Uh, After that, we have discussed all other things, other numericals in a next class. Hopefully, you have understand what we say and how to calculate operating profit, operating leverage. If we have not a selling price, or variable cost is also we have calculated. If we have not a variable cost, if we have a selling price, not a variable cost, have a fixed cost, then we also calculate it. If we have not a fixed cost, break even point, selling price and variable cost, then we also calculate. Okay. Thank you to all of you. Listen carefully. If you have any kind of doubt, then discuss with me in a class. Thank you once again.